Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a small Dollar Tree haul. And I started seeing everybody post all the Easter stuff coming out, and I never make it when they first put things out. So like I'm always like, oh, I missed that, I missed this. So when I saw someone post something last night, I kind of went in the middle of a snowstorm to Dollar Tree to go get some stuff. Yes, I'm crazy, but it had to be done, you guys. It had to be done. And I didn't do that much damage. I think I spent like $25, which is not bad at all. But I picked up another one of these. If you guys know, that's where I put like my little ephemera right here. I wanted another clear one. They didn't have it. So I picked up this one. And I was thinking that I can just like put them on top of each other like when it's filled inside with a more ephemera, and I can just like have 6 little things right in front of me at all times that I can pull ephemera from. So I got that. I also picked up these little containers, and they're just little small containers. You get 10 in a pack. And I figured they'd be good to like send to pen pals if I want to send them some sequins, some little wood veneers or stuff like that. Decorate the top. And you get 10 in one pack. That's an awesome deal. And then I might as well show you guys the snacks I picked up too. I picked up some Russell Stover's coconut mini eggs. Does anybody like Pringles? I love me some Pringles, especially the sour cream ones. Love. I also got a Palmer's peanut butter egg. I love these. I buy one every Easter, and I put it in the fridge, and I cut it in slices whenever I want a piece, because I cannot eat this in one shot, but I cut it in slices, and it's so yummy. And then the last 2 treats that I bought were Mike and Ike's and M&M's. Just because like Dollar Tree has like the best snacks. Why not? Just go for it. We only live once. YOLO. So I got some googly eyes. I got this cute little ribbon. I got some pom-poms. I lied, I got more chocolate. But I think I'm going to use this for pen pal mail. Picked up some of these parasol picks. These are cute. And then I picked up this basket. Isn't this cute? Just to throw in like all the Easter stuff. Right? So we're going to put all this stuff in here. Move it out the way. And in the last bag, I picked up Easter eggs, and these are so cute, you guys. Look how cute those are. They're like little containers. These are the bunnies, the little chicks, and little carrots. And you can fill them up with like sequins or pom-poms for your pals. I thought that was a great idea. I got some more of these craft sticks because I was running low. And you guys, I found some like foam tape, but it's already like, do you see it? It's like cut already. So you get the little squares. I thought that was amazing. I got 2 packs of those. I picked up the foamies that they give every holiday. I got the, is my video like even focused good? I got the bunnies, the Easter eggs. I picked up these 2 packs of stickers because they're super cute. You get the llama, the french fries and the cheeseburger. Some more pom-poms. I got some of those Whack-A-Packs. I got the little chick foam. And then lastly, I picked up 2 packs of these fabric treat sacks. How cute are these? And that's what I got at Dollar Tree, you guys. That's everything I got. I think I did good. But I probably will go back like 4 times before Easter even gets here. But yeah, you guys, that's my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!